Number 29 can they go to the boat តើខ្ញុំអាចឡើងទៅក្តារខៀនបានទេ Phrases or sentences are mostly used in the class. Phrases or sentences are mostly used in the class. Clear ឬប្រយោគប្រើប្រាស់ញឹកញាប់បំផុតក្នុងថ្នាក់រៀន Number 1 I am sorry I did not hear. Number 1 I am sorry I did not hear. សូមអត់ទោសខ្ញុំស្ដាប់មិនបានទេ Number 2 Can I go to the toilet? Number 2 Can I go to the toilet? តើខ្ញុំសូមទៅបង្គន់បានទេ Number 3 May I join the class or group? Number 3 May I join the class or group? តើខ្ញុំសូមចូលថ្នាក់ឬក្រុមបានទេ Number 4 Sorry for being late. Number 4 Sorry for being late. សូមអត់ទោសសម្រាប់ការយឺត Number 5 May I open or close the window? Number 5 May I open or close the window? តើខ្ញុំអាចបើកឬបិទបង្អួចបានទេ Number 6 May I go out please? Number 6 May I go out please? តើខ្ញុំអាចចេញទៅក្រៅបានទេ Number 7 Can you explain it once more please? Number 7 Can you explain it once more please? តើអ្នកអាចពន្យល់វាម្ដងទៀតទេ Number 8 What page are we on? Number 8 What page are we on? តើយើងនៅលើទំព័រណា Number 9 I am ready May I start it? Number 9 I am ready May I start it? ខ្ញុំរួចរាល់ហើយតើខ្ញុំអាចចាប់ផ្ដើមវាបានទេ Number 10 Can you explain those again? Number 10 Can you explain those again? តើអ្នកអាចពន្យល់ទាំងនោះម្ដងទៀតទេ Number 11 Can you speak louder please? Number 11 Can you speak louder please? តើអ្នកអាចនិយាយឮជាងនេះបានទេ Number 12 Which book? Number 12 Which book? សៀវភៅណាមួយ Number 13 Where is the exam? Number 13 Where is the exam? តើប្រឡងនៅទីណា Number 14 Can I come in? Number 14 Can I come in? តើខ្ញុំអាចចូលបានទេ Number 15 Can I pull up the blinds? Number 15 Can I pull up the blinds? តើខ្ញុំអាចបើករនាំងបានទេ Number 16 Can I put down the blinds? Number 16 Can I put down the blinds? តើខ្ញុំអាចបិទរនាំងបានទេ Number 17 Can you help me please? Number 17 Can you help me please? តើអ្នកអាចជួយខ្ញុំបានទេ Number 18 Can I go out? Number 18 Can I go out? តើខ្ញុំអាចចេញទៅក្រៅបានទេ Number 19, can I answer the question? Number 19, can I answer the question? តើខ្ញុំសូមឆ្លើយសំណួរបានទេ? Number 20, can I switch off the lights? Number 20, can't I switch off the lights? តើខ្ញុំអាចបិទភ្លើងបានទេ? Number 21, what is their homework? Number 21, what is their homework? តើកិច្ចការផ្ទះជាអ្វី? Number 22, do we have to write this down? Number 22, do we have to write this down? តើយើងត្រូវសរសេរទាំងនេះចូលទេ? Number 23, is that right? Number 23, is that right? តើនោះត្រឹមត្រូវហើយ? Number 24, is this correct? Number 24, is this correct? តើនេះត្រឹមត្រូវឬ? Number 25, when is the homework for? Number 25, when is the homework for? តើកិច្ចការផ្ទះសម្រាប់ពេលណា? Number 26, I have done this. Number 26, I have done this. ខ្ញុំបានធ្វើវារួចហើយ. Number 27, can I open the window? Number 27, can I open the window? តើខ្ញុំអាចបើកបង្អួចបានទេ? Number 28, can't we pack our things now? Number 28, can't we pack our things now? តើយើងអាចខ្ចប់របស់របរយើងឥឡូវនេះបានទេ? Number 29, can't I go to the boat? Number 29, can I go to the boat? តើខ្ញុំអាចឡើងទៅក្តារខៀនបានទេ? Number 30, how do we spell that word? Number 30, how do we spell that word? តើយើងប្រកបពាក្យនោះរបៀបណា? Thank you.